With over 1 million users after just its first 5 days, is ChatGPT posing a real threat to Google's dominance? And what does this mean for the future value of Alphabet's stock? Hi again, everyone. I hope you're all doing really well. Today, I want to talk to you about an issue that is becoming increasingly relevant in our digital age: the impact of artificial intelligence chatbots on industries like search engines and online advertising, aka my overlord Google. As many of you know, a few weeks ago, a buzzy new AI chatbot named ChatGPT was launched by OpenAI, and as much as it has amazed us with its capabilities, like the ability to generate singular answers to queries in a conversational, human-like way by collecting information from millions of websites, it has also sparked a fair few concerns. One of the biggest concerns is the potential threat ChatGPT poses to Google's search engine business and ad revenue, which generated $208 billion, which is 81% of Alphabet's overall revenue in 2021. Google's management has issued a code red in response to the potential threat, and CEO Sundar Pichai and numerous groups within the company have been directed to refocus their efforts on addressing this threat. Teams in Google's Research, Trust and Safety Division, among other departments, have been directed to switch gears to assist in the development and launch of AI prototypes and products that can compete with ChatGPT. But as impressive as ChatGPT is, it is not perfect. It has a high margin of error and vulnerability to toxicity. The chatbot is unable to fact check what it says and can't distinguish between a verified fact and misinformation. It also has the ability to make up answers, a phenomenon that AI researchers are calling hallucinations, and even more concerning is that it can also generate racist and sexist responses, which is a serious problem when it comes to AI chatbots.
Say what?
Google is aware of the limitations for ChatGPT, which is one of the reasons why it's hesitant to release its own AI chatbot, LaMDA, to the public, which LaMDA is short for Language Model for Dialogue Applications. It supposedly has similar capabilities to ChatGPT, but currently not released to the public due to concerns about the high margin of error and toxicity that we've just talked about. So, ladies and gentlemen, as we move forward with the development of AI and chatbots, it's important that we also understand the potential consequences of these technologies. And it's also important that companies like Google take a responsible approach in their development and release of AI-powered products. It's a delicate balance and one that requires ongoing monitoring and adaptation. While it's difficult to predict the specific effects on stock performance, as it would depend on a number of factors such as the level of adoption and usage of ChatGPT and other AI-powered products, as well as Google's ability to adapt and respond to the potential threat. However, it's important to note that if ChatGPT or other AI-powered products were to significantly impact Google's search engine business, it could potentially have huge negative effects on the company's ad revenue and therefore its financial performance, which would also reflect on Alphabet's stock performance. In the short term, there may be some uncertainty and volatility in the stock price as investors and analysts adjust their expectations for the company's performance. However, if Google is able to successfully respond to the threat posed by ChatGPT and other AI-powered products and continue to adapt its business model to stay competitive, it's possible that the stock price could recover in the longer term and perhaps even benefit from this. It is important to keep in mind that this is speculation and the future is uncertain. So we really can't say what's going to come to the Google stock price from this, but these are some things to consider. So in conclusion, while ChatGPT has amazed us with its capabilities, it's also important to keep in mind the potential consequences and limitations of AI chatbots and how they might affect industries like search engines and online advertising. Furthermore, the fact that Google in all likelihood has a product on par that it can likely scale quickly if the threat of AI chatbots to their business becomes real, makes me believe that their stock price is currently under no major threat at the time from these forms of AI. Anyway, what do you guys all think about ChatGPT? Have you tried it yourself? Or what do you think about the likely threat to Google's stock from such services? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, everyone, may the markets trade in your favor. Cheers.